What's up, YouTube? So a lot of people are looking into ways to protect their paint nowadays, whether it's like the best wax or ceramic coating or paint protective film or just clear bras, which would just cover certain parts of the vehicle. My truck is a 2011, and when I bought it in 2015, it still had a dealer installed clear bra that went pretty much over the whole front and the mirror caps. So I'll show kind of where that was. So it went from about here all the way across the hood. So it was like right down the middle of the hood, all over. Oh, I got a nice bug. I just washed this thing. All over the front, grill surround, not on anything chrome. It was on the headlights. I replaced them with these clear marker headlights, so I didn't end up messing with the ones that are on there. I think the stuff's still on my stock headlights, and all across the bumper. And as you may have heard, clear bras can start to yellow over time, and apparently that's kind of like an older style adhesive material had issues with that. And I can't really speak to the new stuff, but I can say what I experienced after taking off like 7-year-old clear bra off my truck. So mine, like I said, it kind of dissected the hood, and it had a fine line that you could see with a little bit of dirt buildup, and it was kind of yellowing. So I could kind of see it in pictures. You couldn't really tell, you know, from this far away. You couldn't even really see it, but I saw all the edges of it, and it bothered me, and I eventually wanted to take it off. Now the mirrors, the side mirrors, they were all hazy and scratched up. And there was just kind of some discoloration here and there. So I decided to take it off. I took it off myself. I used like a hair dryer, heat gun setup, and some Goo Gone, and got it all off myself. It was super hard to get the big piece off the hood, but I did it, and I didn't mess up the paint. And actually the paint really is like brand new underneath. So I was pretty impressed with that. There's some new bug guts here and there, but see if you can kind of get an idea. And there's no like visual indication of where the clear bra stopped and where like the paint was exposed, except looking closely enough with the right light, you can see more swirl marks where the paint wasn't protected. So it did come off, and it left it brand new under there. I had no swirl marks, no scratches, rock chips, or anything. It did its job. It just kind of started to fade and look bad, but I was able to take it off. So that's a big concern I think people are looking at now, is if I get this, whenever it does eventually like get a rock chip or tear, or gets a scratch that doesn't self-heal or something, if I take it off, what's going to happen to my paint? And in my experience, it was fine. It came right off. Well, I wouldn't say right off. And I might recommend getting a professional to remove it, because it was a pain, and it ripped a lot of skin off my fingers from pulling on it. But I did it a little bit at a time. I did the hood first, the big piece that was really bothering me. Then I started doing side pieces, the bumper, but like my chrome caps are brand new under here. Now they got, again, like some new bug guts since then, but like super clean, no scratches. So I think the paint protective film may be the way to go, and I may end up doing that on my next truck. I just kind of wanted to say what I've experienced, and see what you guys think about clear bra, paint protective film, ceramic coating. It sounds like paint protective film on like a big part of the vehicle and ceramic coating on top of that may be the way to go. I don't know what you guys think of that, but I know the paint protective film can really reduce rock chips, whereas the ceramic coating is like really helpful with the water beating off and dirt not sticking to it. And you know, over the various setups, I've had a few little rock chips down the side here. Some of this is just dirt, but you get little rock chips here and there. You know, I've got two different sets of 40s I run on here. One set's wider than the other with the different wheels, and it slings rocks up. So I'm thinking next time around I'd like to cover all that, at least down the sides, around the fender flares, and on the whole front end. Maybe even more than that. I may end up doing the whole thing. We'll see, because it really did leave me with a brand new front end after, you know, 80,000 miles in 7 years. It's perfect underneath. So far, I personally think that a clear bra may be worth the money, unless you're really just like planning on repainting a vehicle anyway and you're not too worried about doing touch-ups here and there. I like original paint, protect it the best you can, and not hurting it by using the protective treatment on it. I don't want to do something that, yeah, it keeps it from getting scratched, but then when you take it off, you scratch it. So I'm pretty happy with the clear bra that came on this thing, even though it was the older style that yellowed. And we'll see. I'll if I end up going through with getting another clear bra type thing on my next vehicle, I'll have to tell y'all what I think of it and do a long-term test, you know, if it yellows like they say it won't anymore. So let me know what you guys think of all that, and I hope this helped.